In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an arithmetic formula in comparison to a function. And what we're doing in today's video, we're going to add. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to zoom up. I'm going to zoom so you can see better. All right. So here, I'm going to write what we're doing. So we're going to show the difference between an arithmetic formula. Right. Now, a formula is a mathematical equation that the user makes for himself in an Excel spreadsheet to produce a mathematical answer. All right? While a function is a built-in formula that is already included in the Excel software, right? So an example of a function, or this should be a capital F. An example of a function would be, for example, we have sum equals sum. We have sum, open bracket, close bracket, and you would need an equal sign in front of it if you're gonna use it. Escape, I'm gonna put we'd have to. So it would be sum, and you would need an equal sign in front of it. For example, the next one could be average, right? Another one could be count, right? Another one could be count A. So these are built-in mathematical formulas that would be able to produce a result based on what you want. All right. I did a previous video explaining all of these functions, so maybe you could visit them if you wanted to. So what we're saying is you would put an equal sign in front of each of these, right, to use the function. So an example of a formula. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the difference between a formula and a function. In the next video, we'll be showing you actually how we use a function and a formula in an Excel spreadsheet to add the quantity of fruits in the three tables. So please take care until then, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.